May I come in, sir?
Yes, please.
Thank you, sir.
Introduce yourself to the board members.
Sir, I am Diwakar Swaroop. I have done my 10th and 12th schooling from Patna, Bihar. And from after that, I moved on to IIT Kharagpur to complete my BTech and MTech in mechanical engineering. And after that, I did a brief job of 3 to 4 months in lab research. And after that, I left my job. I am into full-time civil service preparation since then.
Okay. You have done BTech, MTech, and that too from IIT Kharagpur.
Yes, sir.
And now you want to become a journalist.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, can we conclude by saying that IITs in India have failed in producing engineers?
Sorry, sir.
They are producing civil servants,
yes, sir,
but they're not producing engineers anymore.
No, sir. This is a very general statement. I would beg to disagree with you on this. Many of our graduates are also very good engineers in other companies. So the thing is that in IIT, apart from engineering, we are also exposed to a lot of other diverse opportunities. Like I was a part of student media body in the campus, so I learned a lot of skills which I can use in administration from there. So I would like to say that IITs not only produce engineers, but apart from engineers, they also produce a lot of diverse people, sir.
Do you have any idea that what percentage of total civil service posts are now being filled up by the IITians,
sir,
engineers?
Engineers, it's about 60 to 70% according to yes, sir.
And from IITs only?
Sir, I don't have data on this.
Rough idea?
Maybe about 20%.
Okay, 60 to 70%. Now,
yes,
don't you think it is bad, it is sad that engineers, they want to become journalists? Now, who are going to perform their jobs?
Sir, we need to look this as a comprehensive problem which is existing in our country, sir. Currently, we are as an economy, we are not able to produce as much quality engineering jobs which one can aspire to and to select it as a career option, sir. We are depending mainly on the multinational companies to hire our engineers. So that is one of the reasons engineers have to move out of their domain to go into other job services.
You want to say that the job opportunities for a professional like you,
yes, sir,
is not there in the market, and you have got plenty of opportunities in civil services. That is what you mean?
No, sir. Apart from job opportunity, it is also interest of an individual. But I'm not talking about, sir, myself. But in general, there are many other people also which want to do quality job engineering domains, like especially the core engineering domains like civil engineering, mechanical engineering. But there are very less quality jobs which pay accordingly what they expect as a salary, sir.
So you have tried and you have not got a job.
Sir, as I earlier said, I am not talking about myself, but
let's talk about your own interest.
Yes, sir.
Did you try for a particular job?
Yes, sir.
In your domain?
Yes, sir. I have worked for 3 to 4 months in LAM Research. It is an American MNC. It's a semiconductor manufacturing equipment company. Sir, before joining the job, or I can say that before entering the IIT, one of my career options was to explore the civil services domain, sir. So when I got into IIT, I did my internships in the corporate also, in my corporate sector, in my engineering domain. I did internships in the social sector also, sir. And then I came to conclusion that I am more interested in administration and civil services, sir.
But after so many years, you have realized that your core interest lies in civil services. Okay, that means one of your characteristics is that your understanding or your learning is very slow. You should have learned way back, but you have learned it very late. This is number one, that the flaw that you have. Second one, tell me that how much resource government has spent on you to make you an engineer.
Sir, the education in the engineering institutes like IIT.
How much money government has spent on you? Straightforward answer I need.
Sir, I don't know the exact data, sir, about it.
You don't have any idea?
Sir, I have an idea. Like apart from the fees I have paid, that is approximated amount which government has spent on me, as it's about 10 to 12 lakhs, sir.
10 to 12 lakhs.
Yes, sir.
Government money means public money.
Yes, sir.
You have wasted public money.
Sorry, sir, I would like to disagree on this. The the qualities which are inculcated in me as an engineer.
No, that is not.
Yes, sir.
Government wants engineers, and that is why government spent money on you.
Yes, sir.
Why
Sir,
did you waste the public money?
Sir, I think the government, with the engineers which the government required, sir, they are already fulfilled by the other engineers, sir. It's not like the posts are vacant in the government engineering job, sir.
Okay. Second flaw in your personality is that you do not know that how much money, how much resources have been spent on you, and you have wasted it. That means you do not have that resource efficiency, or you can say how to control resources. That idea is not there in you. Tell me one thing, the last question from my side.
Yes, sir.
That your hobby is cricket.
Yes, sir.
What kind of cricket you watch?
Sir, men's cricket also and women's cricket also, sir. Some league crickets also, sir.
Okay. You watch only or you play?
Sir, I used to play, but these days I am not in regular practice, sir.
Are you a cricket lover?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you ever watched any Ranji Trophy match?
Sir, I watched the Ranji Trophy. Not, sir. Not in recent times, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. As a mechanical engineer,
Yes, sir.
first of all, tell me that what are the objectives of machine design?
Sir, in machine design, yes, sir. Sir, in machine design, we first objectify what are the objective criteria of designing a machine, sir, and then we try to select the manufacturing process which will go into machine, which we want to, which according to our objective, sir, and then we define the physical parameters of the which is required, and then we select the durability and see which type of joints and which type of materials which are being used, and then the heat treatment processes, sir, and after that we will look into the iteration process, how the machine is performing and the feedbacks upon that, and after that we go for designing of safety mechanisms like vibration isolation and all.
Okay. During the design,
Yes, sir.
during the machine design,
Yes, sir.
we focus on some particular criteria
Yes, sir.
in the respect of size, price,
Yes, sir.
operation system,
Yes, sir.
and other things.
Yes, sir.
Can you explain it?
Sir, can you
These
please?
dimensions during the design of a machine,
Yes, sir.
we can focus on price, mobility,
Yes, sir.
operational cost,
Yes, sir.
and other things. Can
Yes,
you explain this? Explain machine in the respect of these terms.
Yes, sir. In the price, we try to minimize the price, and in the operation, we try to achieve the objective that our line is balanced, sir. And according to that, we set up our factory and the line units of the machines. Like similar type of machine which have similar cycle times in an operation, they are clubbed together to make one unit, sir. So these are the parameters which are looked into.
What is smart manufacturing?
Sir, smart manufacturing uses latest technology like 3D printing, sir, and use of electronics and IT systems in manufacturing, sir. Earlier, which used to happen only through the mechanical system, sir.
Okay. And can you differentiate between the micro machine and nano machine?
Sir, it depends upon the size of machining, sir. Sir, nano machining happens up to 1 nanometer to 100 nanometers, and micro machine is done in the range of 10 to the power minus 6 meters, sir.
Okay. Can you explain the design of composite material?
Sir, composite materials are new materials which are especially known for their high strength to weight ratio, sir. One of the composite materials is, sir, carbon fibers, which are sir, composite materials generally consist of two materials. One is the matrix, and another is the fiber which is laid upon it. So the matrix objective is to bind the material, and the fiber's objective is to provide the strength to the material, sir. So these are two main purposes. We can arrange the fibers in different types of layers to provide a different type of strength which are required for our equipment which we want to manufacture, sir.
Okay. ट्रैक्टर आपने देखा है?
Yes, sir.
तो ट्रैक्टर में जो आगे का पहिया होता है वो
Yes, sir.
छोटा होता है,
Yes, sir.
और पीछे वाला पहिया कंपैरेटिवली बहुत बड़ा होता है,
Yes, sir.
तो उसको ऐसा डिजाइन क्यों करते हैं हम लोग? कुछ उसके पीछे कुछ मैकेनिकल रीजन है क्या?
Sir, I think it is to provide the stability because more load is behind the tractor in towards the behind its center of gravity, sir. So I think it is due to the stability, sir.
This is right answer.
I'm not sure about this.
Okay. Last question. How will you use your knowledge and experience from mechanical engineering in the all-round development of the Bihar? I'm not asking in a particular section of the Bihar.
Yes, sir.
All-round development of the Bihar.
Yes, sir.
In agriculture, in infrastructural development, in women empowerment, in health and education, and other branches of the good governance.
Yes, sir. Sir, I would like to just say that I would not only like to use my mechanical engineering knowledge, but overall knowledge which I have gained through my whole engineering education. So, talking about particularly mechanical engineering, as you talk about one of the points as tractors, sir, it comes under the wider domain of mechanization of farm, sir. As we know, we have less mechanization of farm, so I would like to see what kind of more machines are used in other countries or other states, sir, which are suitable for our country. So, farm mechanization is one area where I can use my knowledge as a mechanical engineer. Apart from that, sir, in the domain of public service and e-governance, I can use the experience which I have gained through my colleagues, the use of data analysis and artificial intelligence to make the administration more efficient, sir. Similarly, this system can also be used in the health and education department, sir. If we see the recent initiatives of the Bihar government, like the right to public service and the CFMS portal, sir, e-governance is playing a major role in improving the efficiency of the administration, sir. So I would like to take this to carry forward, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
First of all, tell us what is a drone?
Drone.
Drone.
Sir, drone is an unmanned aerial vehicle, sir. It can be used for various purposes like
How it works? What's the principle behind it?
sir, it works due to the production of the lift force which is generated by the wings which are rotating on top of it. It's similar to the principle of working of an helicopter, sir.
Okay. Tell me about different types of drones.
Sir, different types of drones are like one which has military application, the other which has civil applications. Sir, in military applications, it can be used to it can be used to target the missiles and rockets also, sir. And in civil applications like in agriculture, it can be used to spray pesticides. And moreover, it has been also used to perform drone shows recently in the entertainment events recently.
Okay. So the ones used in defense or the ones used in farm sector,
Yes, sir.
is there any technical name for that?
Sir, in the defense, one type I know is a kamikaze drone which is being used, sir.
What is this?
Sir, it is used to hit multiple targets at one time, and it is, sir, kind of a suicide bomb which hits to the target and it destroys itself also, sir.
Okay. And the ones used in the drone shows, is there any technical name or term used for that type of drone?
Sorry, sir, I am not able to recall it.
Now, why these drones are recently very much in news, particularly in consideration with India? Any latest development?
Sir, recently I heard a news where one of the drones has entered our territory from the POK side, sir. And this is one of the news I have heard.
It keeps on happening in POK, Punjab.
Yes, sir.
These are nothing new.
Sir,
Is there anything related to our maritime security? Has there been any recent issue regarding that?
Sir, I am not able to recall.
Any
Sorry,
vessel, either commercial or military, attacked by drones?
Yes, sir. Recently in the Red Sea area, there has been drone attacks on our on commercial vehicles which were coming to India, sir. It was by the Houthi rebels, sir, in the Red Sea area. The ship has been escorted to Indian coast, sir, recently, sir.
Okay. And what has been the response of the Indian government up till now?
Sir, Indian government has tried to collaborate on this with like-minded countries like the US to control the attack so that trade relations can go on smoothly. Secondly, sir,
Are we taking any steps
sir,
to change our strategy towards the maritime security of defense as well as the commercial vessels?
Sir, we are trying to Indianize the defense forces. Sir, recently INS Imphal was commissioned, sir. So that is one of our strategy to Indianize the force to become self-reliant.
Okay. Two policies are very much in news right
Yes,
now.
sir. Yes, sir.
One is the One China policy,
Yes,
and
sir.
second one is China plus one policy.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference?
Sir, One China policy refers to considering China and Taiwan as one, sir.
Okay.
But China plus one policy means that dealing with China and Taiwan separately, sir. Giving separate recognition to Taiwan, sir.
That is China plus one.
Yes, sir.
So China plus one is associated with giving Taiwan a separate identity.
Yes, sir.
Sure about that you are? Or it is something else?
Sir, this is what I recall. I may be wrong, sir.
What's the difference between a semiconductor and a superconductor?
Sir, a semiconductor can behave as a conductor or an insulator based on our requirement, but a superconductor behaves as a conductor at low temperatures, which can carry electricity for infinite amount of time, sir, without any resistance. So it has.
Is there any range for the supercomputers at which they perform their duties?
Supercomputers.
And you said that they also perform their duty at low enough temperatures.
Yes,
the
sir.
conductivity.
Yes,
is there
sir.
any range where the normal conductors fail to conduct?
So I think it's sub-zero temperatures. I'm not sure about this, sir.
Not sure. Okay. Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू. कब है आपका?
सर 9 जनवरी, सर.
9th को है ना? ठीक है, बहुत बढ़िया कैंडिडेट हैं आप. ठीक है ना सर? आपका आई डोंट सी एनी रीज़न व्हाई यू शुड नॉट गेट सिलेक्टेड. ओवरऑल परफॉर्मेंस आपका बहुत अच्छा है.
थैंक यू,
है ना?
सर.
और आप आर्टिकुलेट भी कर पाते हैं, और जहाँ पे प्रेशर दिया जा रहा है वहाँ पे भी आप ठीक ठाक आपको संभाल पा रहे हैं. शुरू में जैसे मैंने थोड़ा सा प्रेशर एग्जर्ट करने का कोशिश किया है. इंट्रोडक्शन में नेम आप मेंशन मत करना.
ओके, सर.
है ना? और बाकी तो ठीक है. आप मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग से इसी टाइप के क्वेश्चन जो सर पूछ रहे थे वही पूछ सकते हैं. ट्रैक्टर वगैरह का जो क्वेश्चन है ना, वो थोड़ा देख लेना
जी सर.
क्या एक्चुअल रीज़न हो सकता है. ठीक.
थैंक यू, सर.
ओके. और करंट अफेयर्स पे ऑलरेडी आपको फीडबैक मिल चुका
जी
है,
सर.
बट अभी काम करना है. और एक जगह तो आपने एकदम से रॉन्ग इन्फॉर्मेशन दिया है. चाइना प्लस वन पॉलिसी वो नहीं है.
Okay.
इट इज़ लिंक टू सप्लाई चेन. ठीक है.
Okay,
जो
sir.
कि आपके डोमेन से रिलेटेड था. ठीक है.
Okay, sir.
तो रॉन्ग इन्फॉर्मेशन कभी नहीं देना है.
जी सर.
नहीं आता है सॉरी बोल के निकल जाना है.
ठीक है, सर.
ऑल द बेस्ट.
थैंक यू, सर.